Today we're going to take an adventure to fish a river in southern Chile, Patagonia. Down here for work, got a Sunday off, might as well take advantage of it. So there's two major rivers near Punta Arenas, Chile that we can fish. Rio San Juan and Rio Chubunco. San Juan is an hour south of town, probably the best one to go to if you're in Punta Arenas. It's a good drive down. They redid all the roads. Also a lighthouse down here, a fort that was built in the 1800s, and a pretty cool river. We were down here yesterday. We caught the first trout of the season. It's the day before Halloween. The season usually starts around November, so it's a little early this year. The snow caps on the mountains are melting. They're almost gone, so the water's really clear compared to other years when there's a lot of snow and it's melting and it's dirty. So we're gonna head down here and give them a try. See if we can get one of these big ocean run brown trout. Let's go check it out. All right, so here we are at the river. It's windy, like always in Punta Arenas. So here's what we're using. These little guys, little spinners. I don't know if they're blue fox. I don't know what they are. They work. That's what we're using. Just walked down here. I've already seen 2 trout surface. Heard a pop. It's a Sunday. There's a lot of people down here. I drove past most of them. Went upriver a little bit. I think there's smaller fish upriver, but I'm here for whatever. So we're going to tie on a quick spinner. See if we can't catch fish. Let's go. There we go. These little guys are scrappy. Pretty though. Could be 20 pounds in about 6 years. And it'll come swimming through here straight from the ocean. It'll start about next month. For now, fun. Oh, he got it. Little browns are feisty today. Well, from here on out, the river gets really shallow. It starts flowing fast. A lot of small fish up here. There has been always in the past, at least. It's a lot shallower than it was the last couple of years I fished it. We're gonna head up there and see if we can't find a couple little poquinas. Oh, there he is. There we go. Oh. Ha! He came back for it. as I'm sitting here talking to you, I can see 1 or 2 fish rise right in the back. I don't know what they're eating. Some kind of little bug. I'm not a river trout expert. That's why I'm sitting here using spinning gear. Cheating, right? It catches fish. That's what I'm doing. One more shot. Ah! How's that? One more shot. There you have it. We're catching minnows. It's all good. This is the hot ticket item. Little spinner. Alright. They're weighted just right. Fish love them. One trick though, if you're down here, you got to pull it as fast as you can. So when we're casting it in the current here, cast cross current or a little bit up diagonal, and then just reel it as fast as you can when you're coming across there. And that's the way they're going to bite it. If you don't do that, what they're doing is they're coming up behind it, and these fish can see so good that they're just coming right up behind it, and then they're stopping and peeling away. And I know that they're seeing that, hey, this is a lure, this is not dinner. So, got to reel it fast. Water's clear, water's down right now. Normally this time of year it'd be up another foot, but the snow caps have melted off a little earlier this year. It's the last day in October. So water level's a little down, real clear, fish are a little skittish. The big sea run brown trout are not here yet. They start next month and they'll go, the good months is January, February. Not gonna be here, hey, we gotta catch what we can catch, right? So, if you find yourself down to Punta Arenas, drive an hour south, Rio San Juan, take a little hike up river, throw a little spinner, catch a few fish.